Hello everyone.
Hello.
My name is Lokesh Rawat and today I got a chance to become a monitor of the class and today we are playing topic game. And as we know that in topic game we will give topic to each and everyone and you have to speak on the particular topic. And Jitu sir give me chance to become a monitor of the class and now we are playing topic game one by one. For 1 minute you have to speak on particular topic which is very important for everyone. So now we are starting the topic game. So first one we are talking with Neetu ma'am. Okay, so ma'am, your topic is New Year.
Okay. Good morning to all.
Good morning.
How's you all?
I'm good and you?
Okay. So my name is Neetu Gupta. So I got a first topic and topic name is New Year. So you know very well you all are celebrating a New Year because New Year is a year of starting and in this day we celebrate with our friends and family also and in this day we cut the cake with family and neighbor also and I also wandering with other places with my friends and you know very well New Year is a starting of year and I also make my day with my friends and in this day I
Yes. I make resolutions.
I make a resolutions. I promise with my own self, and I make a proud for my parents with me. And that's it about me.
So next one is ma'am. Ma'am, your topic is Indian cinema.
Sound should be. It should ring.
Good morning to all of you. My first topic is Indian cinema. Indian cinema is two types of cinema: Bollywood, Hollywood, and we can watch movie in cinema cities and cinema cities. I have lots of actors and actress. We watched her movie. And the heroes are Varun Dhawan, Hrithik Roshan, and cinema have 3 Khans on Bollywood: Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Amir Khan, and everybody watch his movie, and his movie is too good. And Bollywood means his movie flop and super hit. And
Next one is ma'am. Ma'am, your topic is forest.
Okay, good afternoon all of you.
Good afternoon.
I am going to tell you about forest. Forest is very important for us. There are many trees and there are many trees are planted and we should protect the forest. By the forest we can get many benefits. We can get woods and we can also make our house by the forest, and we should not cut the trees. We should always planted the trees there are trees and there are living many animals and men also live in forest. So thank you.
Okay, clap.
Okay, ma'am, your topic is agriculture.
Okay, good afternoon class.
Good afternoon.
I got first topic which is agriculture. Agriculture is most important for every people because every people depend on agriculture. Yeah, what is the agriculture? Agriculture is that by which we create our GDP and we create our budget also, because by the GDP we get lots of money. And yeah, agriculture it should be necessary. And yeah, by the agriculture we get weeds and seeds, lots of things. And yeah, farmer does in the agriculture field, so it is most important for nowadays. Farmer face lots of problem. It is not good because by the farming we get lots of thing, and we should not fight with the farmer, because yeah, farmer is a one type of god which is give lots of things, so it is good. And yeah, in agriculture lots of seeds grow up like a seeds pulses, and yeah, wheat also. So it is good, and yeah, it is necessary for everyone, because by the living we should depend on it. Yeah, it is good, it is enough.
Ma'am, your topic is family.
Okay, so good afternoon everyone. So how are you? Okay, so I am also good. So my first topic is family. You know, family is a very important in our life, because a family is a backbone of all those the person. And if I talk about the family, so firstly, family have so many person, like a grandfather, grandmother, and parents also. And if I talk about, so I have so many family members including me. And if I talk about, so my father, has a own business. And if I talk about, so my mother, she is a homemaker. And if I talk about, so my brother, pursuing in a BCom in second year. And if I talk about, so me, so my name is Tanisha, and I am pursuing a BA first year. That's it.
Okay, ma'am. Your topic is internet.
Okay, so good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Firstly, I have completed my graduation. My name is Amrita, and my topic is internet. So you know, internet, it is the most important for the now time, because now time is corona increased day by day. So people are not go the office and school. So sometimes people use the internet by the phone and by the laptop. So people any work by the laptop, by the computer, because now time your work in always home by the home. So people use the net increase day by day, and very powerful by the internet. That's it.
Okay, ma'am. Your topic is television.
Okay, so very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Sapna Rawat, and right now I have got the topic is television. So yes, television is one kind of box. We can also consider it as an idiot box. So yes, television is that in which we can see different kinds of shows. In TV there are many channels, like the education channels, news channels, movies channels. So we can see many things on TV, and from TV we also get different kind of knowledge about the different kinds of things, about the things which are going over in India, what are the new inventions, what are the new things are going on. So TV is basically the source of education. We can increase our education by TV, and it was developed in the 80s time by the English people, and in approximately 90s it comes in India, and it turns into a great resolution in India, because more the people are using TV, and they got knowledge, they got good communication, as well as they get to know about the people outside the country. So television is a good source of education, and it's all about it.
Okay, sir, your topic is cricket.
Okay, my first topic is cricket. As you all know that cricket is a gentleman game, and Sachin Tendulkar and Rahul Dravid proved that cricket is gentleman game. Cricket is a national game of England, which is also owned by which is also owned by England World Cup in 2019. I have also favorite players in cricket. Rohit Sharma is my favorite player. Rohit Sharma is the only player who has scored 3 double hundred, which is the only done by Rohit Sharma. The individual high score of Rohit Sharma is 264, who is the highest score all over the world, which is done by any one players. There are many kinds of tournaments which is played in cricket, such as ODI, T20, Test, and as you all know that from today IPL is started from 7:13, and there are 8 teams in IPL, and the champion of IPL is Mumbai Indians. They have earned 5 times IPL titles. That's it.
Okay, sir, your topic is public transport.
So good afternoon, guys. So my topic is public transport. So as we know, transport is a very important part in our life, because without transport we can't visit anywhere. Like if you want to go anywhere, like your particular place, so you want to transport. Yeah, there are many types of transport, like bus, car, and there are lots of etc. And some people have own transport, like on cars and bikes. So if you want, as we know, nowadays our petrol is very high rate, and some people's not. So yeah, that's it.
Okay, sir, your topic is money.
Money. Good afternoon all. Good afternoon. How are you? I'm also good. Firstly, sir gives me a topic money. As you all know that money is a very important part in our life, because of by the money we can purchase anything, by the money we can get anything, and why we can get a money. Like firstly we can get a education more than that time you can get a money very easily according to me. And because of education we can doing a job like in any sector, like private sector and government sector, but without education you can't earn a money. Like we can't doing a only work in a like labor base according to me, but by the money we can get everything according to me. And in a money, like in a money is a source of living in a world. That's it.
Okay, sir, your topic is sports.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sahil, and my first topic is sports. Sports, you know that sports is important for everyone. The sports make the person fit, and now in before after Corona, every person want to be fit and from the disease, and that you can see that our national game is hockey, and from 9th April the IPL also start begin. And thank you.
Okay, sir, your topic is books.
First of all, good afternoon all of you. My name is Sudeep. Our monitor gave me a topic. This name is books. So you know about book. We are know about book. Book are need to help to learn more than more. Books are very important for any some student, and books all available in market, and many books available in market. English, grammar, many things. You choose your books and read more than more read. That's all.